this lesson about key levels and how you can use it in your trading. First, what is key level and why we use it in our trading? Key level, it's a place where something important happened. Relow, new trend, deep pullback, price bounced several times from that area. Why it's important? Why it's so important for us? Because big players show to us that key levels are matter, that there someone put volume, because price can rise and drop only when big players, only when some big guys some big guys open or close huge position. Price rise when someone open buy or someone close sell, and price drop when someone close buy or open sell, because it is the same. Why is the most profitable to use in your trading? First, friends, the main reason why I use key levels, it is low predictable risk. Example here for you on the DAX. My last entry on the DAX index. Take a look here. When you open a position near the key level, like I did it here, when price made false breakout of 2018 high, take a look here. Risk was only this amount. This amount of pips was our risk. And take a look, this is all potential profit. Potential profit in 14 times was bigger in this entry than was our risk. That's the reason why it's so profitable, because of risk and reward. That's why I personally use it. It's like I mentioned, risk-reward ratio. When you open a position with key levels, it's easy to take 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 15, and something like that. Because when we speak about trading, many of you are hunting for like 90% probability of entry setups, 80% probabilities. But if be honest, it's hard to get that score, and I didn't saw traders who live from trading and have more than like 50, 60 profit entries. Most of them hunting for huge mathematical expectancy, like good risk reward. Yes, there could be a strategy where you can take 80% profit entries and you can take 1 to 1, but believe me, far more better for you, and it's to hunt for entries where you will be able to take 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 10. And also another reason why we are using why we use key levels is because we follow big players. In that cases, we follow big players, we follow their big players. It's like a shark, and you need to understand, only big players can move the instrument into some area. Only big players can turn instrument, can do something like that. That's the reason why I personally use key levels, and it's work on all market. I'll show you examples how it works on all markets on different instruments. That's why let's go to type of key levels, and we will record many different videos about this. It will be this Blok will help maybe the biggest amount of lessons. That's why it's important for you to do your homework, because after that your trading will change completely. Type of key levels. First type, it's maybe the most important, and most of you will see the type of levels. It's trend change point. Why it's the most powerful? Because ask yourself, what effort does some instrument need to change the instrument? That means trend change point, example here on the DAX. We need to open even weekly chart. You see here, from this point, price change in trend and started 1 year drop. 1 year price drop. It needs a lot of volume and efforts to start this. That's why such levels always will be important, and in most cases, in 80% cases, price will react on that level, will be bounce, pullback, something like that. That's why for us it's important to hunt for such entries, for such levels. Another example for you, where's Euro British Pound? Another example for you, Euro British Pound. It is a 2 years high, 2017, and price bounced from it. Take a look on this powerful drop. Price dropped 1 to 40. Potential profit was in 40 times bigger than risk in this entry. That's the reason why you should take it. When you open entries nearly such powerful places, you can hold your position even 1 year or even more. And believe me, in most cases you will be profitable. I will record additional video lesson about every type of key levels. It will be additional video where I will show you at least 20 examples. At this moment, this lesson will be like where we will cover all type of key levels and examples for you. Another example, another type of key level, it's a mirror level. What is a mirror level? It's a place where where support become resistant and resistance became a support. Take a look on this Euro USD example. Price bounced 2 times, even 3 times from this level, and after that break it up, and after that came back. It is a mirror level, and through this area price, take a look how price dropped. Another example for you on gold. What is mirror level? We had a border of the range here. It was, take a look here, price was so many days in this channel, in this border. After that, price broke it up and made a retest. Resistance became a support, and here also low risk and potential profit in many times bigger. Let's go to another example. S&P 500 indexes. You see that we cover key levels on currency pairs, gold indexes. Also, you will see it on how it works on oil and all instruments. It works everywhere. Take a look on this key level. From this place, price made deep pullback, drop, and after that, when it closed a ball, take a look on this false breakout of this key level. And after that, powerful rise. Price rose up 1 to 14 from that area. Your risk could be like 1,000 USD, and you could take 1 to 14. It's amazing, amazing risk reward. Another type of key levels, it's a paranormal candle. We also can use it in our trading. Example for you of paranormal candle, it is we should open Bitcoin and British Pound Australia. What is paranormal candle? It's a place where price rose up more than 1 ATR per day, or even 2 ATR, 3 ATR. It's example for you here. Take a look on this candle. This candle price drop 17,000 pips. 17,000 pips price drop in one candle. And let's open it closer and you will see how it happened. From this area and such powerful drop. This is example of paranormal candle. Paranormal area. And take a look here on reaction on that level. How price approach, paranormal candle and deep pullback. At this moment price already dropped 450 pips with risk 30 pips. You could take 1 to 15 risk reward. We always in our course we will hunt for huge risk reward and huge examples. Type of key levels number 4, place where price finished a pullback or made a re-high. It's also powerful level. From such levels, in most cases, price will do powerful move. Example on Tesla, take a look. Pullback, place where price made a pullback and re-high. Re-high, price already made a re-high here, and after that rose up into this area. And here, take a look on reaction. When price came here first time to this level, price explode. And risk in this area was like 10 USD, and price grow up in a few months, more than price double. And about Tesla, you knew that situation about Tesla, it's rose up dramatically. Another example for you, a key level where price from which price made deep pullback. It's not a place where price like made a re-high or start new trend. It's a place just for a deep pullback. Example for you here, take a look. From this place, price made deep pullback from this uprise. Deep pullback, what does it mean deep pullback? It means 500 pips, nearly 1,000 pips price drop from this area. And what happened? You can see price came into this area. Price came into this area and made false breakout and false breakout. And from this place, there could be entry with 37 pips and price drop 1 to 10. 1 to 10 you could take in this entry. Another type of key levels, it's a limit level. What is a limit level? It's a place where price bounced several times from some level, few candle in a row, just bounce in a row. Last example where we had it really clear was on Canadian. British pound versus Canadian. Take a look on this level. You could see first price bounced first time here, and after that 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in a row, and price after that made a powerful uprise. It's also important to use such levels, especially when you have confirmation from left side, when you see like such candle made a pullback. I will record many additional lessons about such key levels. For you it will be easy to use them and to do homework. What makes level more powerful? First, it is round number. If price bounce from round number, it's a good confirmation, because many options, when you trade real option on Chicago Mercantility Exchange, they're only like round numbers. You cannot put option on like 1.2345. That could be only round numbers. Example for you how price bounced exactly from round number was on Euro USD. You can see it here when price. Take a look here. Example for you of limit level and mirror level together. 1, 2, 3, even 4 candles in a row bounced. After that, price broke it up and created mirror level. And take a look here where it was. It was nearly 1.10. It's now a round number. Round number. And false breakout here. Also, how price bounced from this area so many times. Friends, let's go to another type. Re-high. If we trade some key level, for example, sometimes when you want to trade a mirror level, what makes it more powerful? When, as you see, price made every high from this level, like here, and when price will break it down, it will make this level powerful. Why? Because so many traders have their volume here, so many traders opened buy position because thought price will continue uprise. And also it's when it is the most powerful to trade powerful key levels. It's when price approach with big candles. What is big candles? It is when price hit some key level with more than one ATR. ATR, it is average daily move. Average daily move. And how can you use it in your trading? Like here we have this Forex volatility calculator. Also there are some soft which you can use it. Calculate, and you see British pound, Australia, average daily move 213 pips. And take a look here when price approached British pound, Australia, and British pound, New Zealand. And British pound, New Zealand. You can see when price came to this key level. Take a look here. 290 pips, nearly 300 pips. What does it mean? That means when price will approach to such powerful candles, there will be a good entry with bigger probability. About such entries, I will record a separate lesson where I will show you how you can make entries, what will make your entries more accurate. This lesson only for you to understand type of key levels and how you can trade it. That's all. Friends, this lesson was about key levels. Below this, on this blog, you will find additional videos, additional video lessons about each type of key level. Your homework will be at least to find such 10 levels, 10 pictures, and send it to us. And after that, we will give you a feedback. Did you write it good or not? After that, when you will understand how to build key levels, your trading will change dramatically. That's why let's go to another lesson.